I like to say that I was born an attorney. I was really born to an attorney. I've held every single job that you could have in a law firm. When I was real little, I used to bend paper clips in the law firm and throw them out. And as I grew a little bit older, I would answer the phone. And I was actually talking to clients. When I graduated and passed the bar, I was an associate attorney. And now, over 10 years later, I'm the owner of the firm. It's just such a pleasure to be able to feel natural in this role, represent our clients, give them the love and support that they need, and really help them get back to where they were before tragedy struck them in their lives.
Ben and Muth Law focus on their clients and helping them get back on their feet after their injuries. We really focus on working with all the residents of Ann Arbor and in the surrounding areas.
What happened on that day was very unexpected. I was making my way home, going up a hill, and suddenly another truck right there changed everything and changed my whole life.
She was in a
Head-on collision.
Yeah. When we first met with Ben, I felt like Ben had us covered.
Finding Ben was more of a God wink.
Of course, my mom was worrying through the whole process, but Ben was really, really confident. Ben was more than just a lawyer, though. He went out of his way to look out for Mom. He did make us all feel like family. Not even just Mom, it was my sister and I, too, so that was a huge impact. Of course, winning the case was Ben's priority, but at the end of the day, I think his main priority was my mom getting better.
And I think he does that for everybody. I would recommend Ben a million, billion, trillion times over.
What sets Muth Law apart from other law firms is that we are really able to concentrate on a small number of clients who've been catastrophically injured by the most catastrophically negligent acts of other people. Really, from a young age, I've been drawn to the courtroom. I've been drawn to representing people. I was instilled by my father with a real sense of community service. And really what we're doing is an extension of public service, because people come to us on their worst day. They're hurt, they're scared, they don't know what to do, they have to turn to somebody. We bring them into our firm family, explain to them the steps of how we're going to get them back on their feet, and then execute that for them. Here at Muth Law, we specialize in personal injury. Don't hesitate to call us. We're here to help.